The Hyundai LT800-LED-D mobile lighting tower provides an impressive light coverage of up to 3,000 square meters, all while using minimal energy. Built for portability and ease of setup, this lighting tower is equipped with 4 rugged pneumatic tires, allowing it to roll right where you need it. One person can deploy it in seconds. The tower extends to a huge 5 meters, providing optimal illumination across large areas, and each LED light head is fully adjustable for precise light placement. Compatible with mains power, portable generators, or auxiliary power sources, it's suited for any location and keeps power consumption low, so your generator can run additional equipment if needed. And thanks to its daisy chain capability, you can power up to 5 units from a single 6 kilowatt generator, keeping fuel use under 1/4 litre per hour per tower. This unit can accommodate larger diesel generators, secured with built-in brackets. Your LT800-LED-D arrives ready to go, complete with assembly tools and a user manual for quick setup. For more information, visit our website today.